Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a look using the High Times palette from Midas Cosmetics. Yes, another palette dedicated to marijuana. So this is my first time using any eyeshadows from Midas Cosmetics. They are an indie brand, and I used a code. Marlo Keenan here on YouTube has a code, and I used her code. I believe I got 30% off. I only paid $20 for this palette, which I thought was a good buy. It's a mixture of mattes and shimmer metallic shades and a grungy yellow green palette. So very interesting color story, and that's why I decided to go ahead and pick it up. Now the mattes are very pigmented. I did have some issues blending. It did take a bit of elbow grease to blend them out, and the metallic shimmer shades just really, they were lackluster at best. Even when I wet the shade, as you'll see in the tutorial, the one that I put on my lid, I put it on dry and then I wet it, and I just kept building and building and building. And then the next shimmer shade that I put on top to give it a little more oomph just didn't really do much either. So not crazy about the eyeshadow formula. It's not terrible, and for $20, certainly not bad, but doesn't really have me excited about going back and trying it again. I will though, because I feel like I need to give it one more chance and to do another look with it. I thought this look was going to turn out less monochromatic than it did. They kind of just, I don't know, it just kind of looked like all one color. It still came out pretty, I think. I think in the end, the finished look is pretty, but certainly just wasn't what I was expecting. So let me know, do you have this palette? Have you tried any other eyeshadows from Midas Cosmetics, and what do you think? Also, let me know if you'd like to see any more tutorials with it. Everything I use on the eyes today will be listed in the description box below, so enjoy. If you liked this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing because I do makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews here every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye bye.